At our Hagane Company, engaged in the technological development and production of specialty steels, we produce optimal raw materials that give rise to all manner of products. The experience and skill gained through our deep knowledge of steel allow us to produce high-quality steel materials that deliver the strength, durability, and workability demanded by automotive parts. The steelmaking process is what determines the quality of specialty steels. Aichi Steel has led the world in adopting a multi-stage steelmaking process that continues to evolve, achieving higher quality at lower cost. It boasts some of the highest productivity in Japan and delivers a superior competitive edge. Our rolling process is a highly refined technology that pursues uncompromising quality and dimensional accuracy. We utilize the strengths of our integrated manufacturing from steel materials design through steel production and forging to parts processing. This enables us to meet customer needs and provide optimal solutions. Aichi Steel is focused on resource recycling. We take scrap steel from decommissioned vehicles and other sources and give it fresh life as new products. We are committed to environmentally friendly manufacturing. We also reuse the waste heat from our electric furnaces and apply other cutting-edge energy conservation technologies, thus taking on challenges in accomplishing carbon neutrality in 2050. Expanding globally, to help us meet increased customer needs, we have established an optimal system so our partner company in India can supply steel materials to customers in the ASEAN area. Aichi Steel continues to develop parts for electric vehicles and provide products that help preserve the environment. Driven by our materials manufacturing DNA and accumulated technological prowess, we will contribute to a new mobile society.